This is a quick video on, say you got a computer and the function keys are not working, so volume up, volume down, and you have to hold the function key. And if you want to fix this on HP or on Dell, you'll need to go into the BIOS. So this is a Dell Vostro. I'll show you what you need to do. So make sure the computer is off. You'll need to go into the BIOS. So F2 key or function F2, just keep tapping. Function F2 or F2, and you'll go into BIOS. I just missed it. Do it again. Okay, so on this particular model you might have a different menu looking system, but you'll need to go into and find function key behavior. And the function key default means only the keys will work as is, F1 to F12. When you press them, you will press those buttons. But if you choose the multimedia key, then that means all the orange colored icons will be the default when you press one of those keys. F10 save changes and exit. Now we'll get a crashed window message on mine, we can ignore. And now if I press the keys, example the brightness, you can see the brightness going up or down without pressing the function key. So just naturally. But if I want to use the function keys, I need to hold the function now. And if I press F5 for refresh, then it will do refresh. Yeah, quite simple. Same with volumes, everything works fine.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to support this channel.